Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm That Modern Dude, and this is just a real quick video. I had a couple of people comment on my last couple of videos on the Xiaomi Mi Ultra Short Throw Projector about its image quality versus a TV. It's definitely something I left out of my review, which I'll have linked above somewhere. So in this video, it's just going to be a really quick comparison between a relatively new 4K HDR Sony TV and the Xiaomi Mi Ultra Short Throw Projector. Such a good name, rolls straight off the tongue. And basically how they compare. Now obviously nothing will compare to a top of the line TV, but it'll be interesting to see, I guess, how it fares. So obviously it's daylight now, but I'll film the projector scenes when it's dark, so you can see it in its highest clarity. And I'll show two scenes. So it's going to be from Star Wars Rogue One. It is a 4K version, so obviously it can be downscaled on the projector, but it will be playing in native 4K on the TV. And the two scenes I'll show you, one will be a very dark scene and one will be quite a bright and vibrant scene. So hopefully that'll give you a really good idea of, I guess, the clarity that this projector can provide. And I think it's really, really good. So yeah, enough of me talking, and we'll just get straight to it. Alright guys, so I hope that really helped, I guess, get a few of you off the fence on whether or not this projector is worth dropping the cash on. I, for one, am in love with it. One of the best purchases I have made in a long while. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button down below, and of course subscribe for more content like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.